guys, you know this your girl Lizzie and you're watching Lizzie's TV. Today I'm coming out to y'all. I want to show you guys a haul that I did at Dollar General today. Everything that I purchased on this table was 90% off. So I had a total of my bill at $7.63. So I think I did pretty good. I shopped at Dollar General basically to get these items. I'll probably use these items for stocking stuffers for Christmas and give them to my grandkids. And you know, if you all decide to go to Dollar General, you can get these items for donations, but you really got to look around, because here in my area the dollar stores for these kind of products is totally in a mess. So I'm gonna tell you what I got over here. This one was like, this is the first item I'm gonna go with. This is called the H2Go. It's a swim ring. This ring was $6. I got 90% off, so I only paid 60% for it. So you know, you all after Christmas, and here comes summer, so you got to get ready for the water and the splish and splash. So got that one. Then we got the Swim Safe armbands. These also, their regular price was $3. And that was 90% off, so I got that for 30 cents. So I got about 4 of them, all different kinds. So you know, you got the little fish there, and see, they all cute. Look at that, that's so cute. I know, that's just cute. So there's the other one right there. And I also found this one too. This one is by Fisher Price. So we all know about Fisher Price, especially, you know, growing up and stuff. So this one was $8. I got this one for 80 cents. So you know, you can put the baby in there and put him in the pool, and he or she will be safe in the pool. So I got a couple of sidewalk chalks. So I got this one, and then I got these right here. So I got like 3 packs of these right here. So you see, I got $3. That was $1, so that was 10 cents a piece. Bunch of dollar stuff that was 10 cents. You know, quite a few nice little things. These right here, I wish I could show y'all how this works, because I was like amazed. You just throw this at the wall and it stick to the wall. So I'm like, oh, my grandbaby will love that. So anyway, we got the splash flying disc right here. So I got quite a few of those. And I got different styles with those. So I got 2 like this one. And then I got 2 like this one. Well, 1 like this one. And then I have a purple one here as well. So that's that part. You can also play with these little toys in the water. They dive torpedoes. So I guess you just throw them in the water. It's like a little game. You get points for playing this game. So kids will like that as well. Just found some bubbles, because my grandson loves bubbles. So he got 2 extra things of bubbles that he can play with. And just, you know, like I said, just little toys and things for stocking stuffers and stuff. But at 90% off, you can't beat it. And we got like this one here. You blow that up, and that's a ring, a swim ring as well. Minnie Mouse. And then I found this cute little thing for my baby grandson. This is nice. It's a little truck here. That was nice. This one was actually, let's see. Let me see what the price. This one was $5. Regular price to this one was $5. So I got this one for 50 cents. And then some other little play pack games that they can play with. Just something simple. Then we got the ducky, the animal split ring right here. So you can always, you know, put that in the water. But you can, at least they'll be safe in the water with it. So that's pretty much this haul right here. And then, oh, also, this one didn't actually come with this particular haul, because I went the other day to the Dollar General looking for some items, and I found these. They had a bucket right in front of the cash register, so these were also 90% off. So, you know, if you need something, you know, for your water hose or whatever the case may be, you know, you can go get it. Dollar stores really still probably have a lot of other items in there that's 90% off. Like I said, you really got to look through it, because it's really something. And I got some gargles here. You know, these are really cute. Look at these. They got swans on them for the little girls. Those are cute. So I want to let you know, guys, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, please. And also, don't forget, 200 subscriber, we got that $20 gift card for the random select person. So, okay, you guys, it was one thing that I forgot to mention. When you in the Dollar General and you're looking for the 90% off items, these are the 90% off items that I have came up with so far. You see right up under the amount of the item, there's a pink square there. So all of your pink squares in the toy item will be 90% off. So just so you know that, so you can go to your Dollar General in your area and you could find these. Now that's the $3 ones. So that's pink square. That makes this product, I mean 30 cents, I'm sorry. And then with the $1 off, see that pink square? That's 10 cents. So you can't beat that. You gotta, like I said, when you go in there, you gotta look around and see. Now for this one was $6. So I got this item for 60 cents. And then the last one, the highest item I purchased was this one for $8, and I paid 80 cents for that. So just so you know, get to your close Dollar General, and they pretty much have these 90% off sales all the time. So hopefully on the next haul we're gonna end up getting into some other items, but right now I just wanted to show you the toys. It's getting so close to Christmas, so you guys go out and grab some of this stuff. Okay. And then I wanted to show you guys a really quick clip. This is the Dollar General receipt. I don't know if you can see it all the way, so I'm going to try to focus in on it a little bit. My total for those items were actually, look at that. As soon as it focuses in, look at that, $7.63. So all of this stuff over here, I got less than $10, including the 3 items that I bought the other day. So that's a pretty good deal for some stocking stuffers. So like I said, I hope you guys like this video. Give me a thumbs up. And please don't forget to subscribe. And we'll see you on the next video. Have a good day. Bye.